This is a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include a power seat, power windows, a CD player, driver's side impact airbag, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 26,000 miles. This truck's powertrain features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this truck in person.
Smithfield Chevrolet is located at 1109 North Brightleaf Boulevard in Smithfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. When you're talking low prices, you're speaking Deacon.